I would normally do a couple, maybe 2 or 3 sketches if it's just me out there. And I would say, well, okay, I like this wave. Maybe this wave was from sketch number 1. Maybe I like this pattern over here. That was from sketch number 2. And maybe something here from sketch number 3. And I would put all those 3 elements into one painting if I like it. Bear in mind, the sea's moving, so you're not going to be able to go click and then paint what you see from memory. You're there, you're in the moment, you've got all this action going around. And that's one of the things which makes painting outside really special. It's bad enough with the forest when the sunlight decides to move from, sort of one end of the painting to the other. It changes all your shadows, but the sea never stops. It is constantly moving. So it's not about painting just one snapshot. It's about capturing that energy, that atmosphere, the passion that the sea can give you, and putting that into your composition. So, again, this is the nice part. It's quite experimental. You can put some in, you can take some out if it's you disagree what you just done. Let's look at the shadows now in this cloud area. I would say the sunlight's coming from over there. So this will be in shadow a little bit. And bear in mind, this is, as we come closer, these waves are going to get bigger, wider, not necessarily taller, but a little bit. And with the energy of the wave, so go with the wave flow. Don't fight the wave. Don't go in a different direction. Don't go over this way, for example. It pushes. You can see the direction of the wave. Feel it. Okay, so I'm going to now just use this brush. So I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm just going to literally soften this up and take the surplus stain away. So these are shapes which are effectively small wavelets within the big wave.